Welcome to Furoshiki tutorial. I will show you how to wrap a ball using Furoshiki. Place the Furoshiki wrong side up, right side down. Place the ball in the middle. I will take these two corners from the front and make a square knot. Take these two corners from behind and they're gonna go through this hole right underneath the square knot we just made. All right, I'm gonna turn this around so you can see. We're gonna pull this to make it look nicer, like this. And all you have to do is just tie these two corners behind. And that's how you wrap a ball. In Japan, this is called suika zutsumi, meaning watermelon wrap. If your furoshiki is a little too big in comparison to the ball you want to wrap, you can also use this technique. Take the corners from front, make a square knot, take the corners from behind, put it through the hole right underneath the square knot you just made. And I'm going to turn this around because this is going to be front. And we're going to pull to make it look nice. And I am going to swing this around to make the corner into a rope. And make a square knot. This way you can carry it like a bag. And if it's a gift, you can even make it prettier by tacking in some flowers. Put it through the hole right underneath the square knot. Where is it? Oh.